Mali. And yes, we agree, it is mali. And for someone who is ini-expect, someone who is intelligent, who knows what he is saying, talagang magbibigay ka ng pangalan. It's a special celebration for all the women in the world because March is Women's Month. Nagkataon lang ba to or is it just a coincidence?
Minsan, nasa Shangri-La ako, nakita ko si Ann Curtis. Ang ganda-ganda pala niya. May desire sa loob ko na nag-init. Na-imagine ko na lang kung anong pwedeng mangyari. Pero siyempre, hanggang imagination na lang yon. Pero, hindi naman siguro ako pwedeng kasuhan dahil kung ano-ano yung na-imagine ko eh.
You know what, Sir Bong? Kami din nag-init ang ulo namin sa'yo. I mean, of all people who can give such in a forum like that, kasi, are you for real? It's offensive, it's wrong, kasi ang daming mga nagbigay din ng statement, kinokondemn, na ayaw nila, na hindi nila nagustuhan yung mga remarks na yon and yung statement na yon, no, tong Quezon City Representative Bong Suntay. Ang dami nagsabi. And even of course, kahit yung mismong kapatid ni Ann Curtis was defending her na parang mali. And yes, we agree, it is mali. And for someone who is ini-expect, someone who is intelligent, who knows what he is saying, talagang magbibigay ka ng pangalan.
Ano pang ginagawa mo dito, ha?
Sinasabi ko na nga ba eh.
Solid yes friend ka talaga. Dahil nandito ka na rin lang, sige na, mag-like at mag-comment ka na. Mag-subscribe ka na rin at i-click ang notification bell
Para mapasali ka sa mga kalokohan namin.
Bawal na bawal mag-no dito,